Hello guys, today our friends of Diaclara have sent us this case for the iPhone 17 Air. Let's unbox it. Let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're going to be finding our case. This one comes in black, and we're also going to get a thank you card. This case is a military grade case. It also has a screen protection already included and also a camera full protection included. The camera will actually have a lip on the back that will protect in case your phone falls backwards, and it also has this lip on the front that if in case your phone falls frontwards, your phone will also be protected. The four corners have a bumper that will also protect your device. Whenever you receive your case, you will receive it in one piece. You will have to open it, okay, and you will have to remove these films so that way you can see the transparency of the front protection. Okay, this is a 9H protection that will protect your screen from getting scratched. Then you will insert your phone on this front part and it will fit perfectly. Once you install the front part, then you will install it on the back part. It will fit very snug all around, okay, and it will actually be very protective. Now on the back, we can actually see that the camera is fully protected. We can see the whole back to it, so if in case your phone is a different color, you can actually see the color through it. It does have the MagSafe ability, which you're going to be able to attach any MagSafe accessory like power banks, like phone stands, and also magnetic wallets. If it's a power bank, your phone will actually charge. Also, the front protection does not affect the touchability of the phone, and you can rest assured that your phone will be protected all around. This is drop tested up to 5,000 times, and it's also military grade protection. It features shock absorbent materials, and also the corners have these bumpers that will help protect your phone. Usually military grade cases are very thick and ugly. This is very aesthetic, very nice looking, very modern looking, and it's gonna also make your phone look very nice. It is remarkably slim and also very lightweight. I hope that the information about this case for the iPhone 17 Air from our friends of Diaclara was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.